Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jacqueline and this is Low Carblish. If you're new here, this is a channel where we make low carb versions of our favorite high carb foods because most of us are trying to reverse or control our type 2 diabetes. I'm sorry that I'm running late this week, y'all, with Motivation Monday. I have been kind of under the weather for the last few days. I have a sleeping disorder that doesn't bother me most of the time. In fact, I haven't had an episode with it in the last 4 years. And for some reason, this past week, I have really been struggling. And so it's been hard for me to function on 2 or 3 hours sleep, much less get in the kitchen and cook and do a video. So I'll apologize for that. So we're going to be doing Motivation Monday on Wednesday night, but that's okay. Today's motivational quote is, "Impossible is just an opinion." I remember when I first got diagnosed and I started telling my friends that I was going to try to control my blood sugars with eating low carb foods. And I had so many people tell me that was going to be impossible because nobody could go without cheating and all of that. And it was hard to hear my friends tell me that, but it wasn't too long until they started to see that I was really serious. And I think for me, the reason that I got so serious was because the diagnosis just terrified me, because I've got family members that have got type 2 diabetes, and I've had family members that have had amputations and family members that have passed. And so it really scared me when I got that diagnosis. So it was not hard for me to make the decision to stay low carb because I really did not want to go on insulin and stuff. I will say this: if you are somebody that's struggling with type 2 and you're doing every single thing that you know to do and you still have to take insulin, then it is what it is. But you're going to be taking less insulin if you're eating low carb than you would if you were eating high carb. And if you continue to eat low carb, it's very possible that you could eventually come off of the insulin, working with your doctor. So if that's the case with you and you want prayer or you want to just vent, my email is always down below in the description box. Feel free to email me and I'm happy to pray with you and pray for you. And if you want to just leave a comment in the comment section, that's fine too. So today, I'm not doing a cooking video today because I'm just not rested enough to get in the kitchen and do that and feel like I'm making sense. But what we are going to do is what I had planned to do for Valentine's Day, and we're going to do a giveaway. So instead of calling it a Valentine's giveaway, I'm just calling it February giveaway, and we're going to go with that. What I'm giving away this month is a variety of food things that you can use in your food plan and your diet. And this is all going to be one package. I'm going to be giving away a package of allulose, a package of monk fruit in the raw. I'm going to be giving you guys, or the winner, a package of the miracle rice that's made with the shirataki that does not have the lime in it, so it doesn't have any of that fishy smell, and it's very odor neutral and it's very flavor neutral. But this is the rice that I use to make the sticky rice, and if you are interested in sticky rice and you haven't seen that video, I'll leave a link to it either here or down in the description one. I'm also going to be giving you a box of the edamame soybean pasta, and this is one of the pastas that I talked about that is a good substitute if you are really missing pasta and you haven't been able to find a substitute that's satisfactory to you. I will tell you that I have not found a pasta yet that tastes exactly like pasta, but this is close. It's not exactly, because it has no wheat or anything in it, but it is close, and it is, to me, a good substitute. And I use it sometimes for spaghetti or, different. I've even used it as a substitute for mac and cheese before. So whatever kind of pasta dish you can think of that you're craving, this may work for you. And then the last thing in the package is going to be a package of Lily's baking, I think this is a semi-sweet baking chips. And I use these to make the magic cookies. If you go search my videos, you can find the magic cookie recipe there. And that, by the way, is not my recipe. I don't even know if anybody knows who originally came up with that recipe. It's all over the internet. But I tweaked it a little bit because it had a little bit too much fat in it, and the tweak that I made to it, it works really well for me. So I have a video on that if you're interested in that. So I'll be including these so you can use these to make magic cookies or chocolate chip muffins or whatever low carb dessert or treat you want to make with them. You're free to do that. So all you have to do in order to enter is to leave a comment down below, and in front of your comment put 3 exclamation points so that I'll know that you want to be entered in to win. And I will be choosing the winner of the giveaway on February the 28th, and then I'll announce it in the next day or two after that. So that's the giveaway that we're doing. And like I said, this is just a short video tonight. I just wanted to get caught up with you guys and let y'all know what had been going on. And we had another snow last week, and it was funny because, you know, I'm in Georgia, and so we don't get very much snow, and we had got a dusting a week or two before that, and I posted a little video of Madison seeing her very first snow, and I got a little video of her. We got about 2 inches this time, so I got a little video of her running around and playing in the snow, so I'm going to tack that on to the end of this video just so you guys can see my baby. And that's going to be it for tonight, y'all. If you like the content that you see here, I would really appreciate it if you would hit that like button, because it really does help people that have just been diagnosed to find my channel. And as we all know, when we first got diagnosed, it was terrifying and confusing and all of that. So anything that you can do to help other people find the channel and help find the answers that they need, I'll really appreciate it. To those of you that are watching that are not subscribed, if you would consider subscribing, I would really appreciate that. Hit that little notification bell and you'll never miss a recipe or a giveaway that I have. And until I see you next time, be happy, be well, be safe. Love you guys. Bye. Macie, look, you got more snow. You want to check it out? You want to go over here and check it out? What do you think? Look, look. Come on, let's go this way. Let's go this way. What do you think about it? I know. What do you think about it? You want to get in it? You do? You want to walk over here? You want to walk in it? Come on. Oh my goodness, good girl. What do you think? What do you think? You like it? Yeah, you like that, huh? It's fun. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's cold? What do you think? What do you think? Oh, Macie. Oh, Miss Macie. What you think, girlfriend? What you think, girlfriend? Huh? You ready to go for a walk? Yeah? You ready to go for a walk? Let's go for a walk so you can do your business. Oh my goodness. Let's go this way. Let's go this way. Alright. Mommy's going to have to turn the camera on because I can't hold on to the camera and hold on to you too. You're so pretty. Macie. Look at Mama. Sit. Look at that good sit. Macie. Good girl. Stay. Sit. Good girl. Stay. Look at Mama. Oh, you're so beautiful. Can you look at Mommy one more time? Thank you.